Hi you all, I'm Ishita and today I'm going to be showing you what's in my bag. So this was quite a trending topic at one point in time. I don't know if it still is, but I thought it's a fun video to shoot, so why not? I have been carrying my Balmain tote bag pretty much throughout 2020 and 2021. It's a great bag. It's super spacious and especially for traveling or even for work, I think it's great and you'll see why. So starting off, the first thing in my bag is obviously my phone. I don't think I can really leave without it. Along with that, I also always carry my charger. I'm not a power bank person, so you'll always find me with a charger. The next thing I have is a laptop. I usually travel with my laptop, especially when I have to edit something on the go. I need to keep this. I always have like a memory card attached to it all the time. Next up, I have a perfume. This is the Gucci Guilty Stud Travel Limited Edition. I happened to come across it in Dubai and I think it smells amazing. It's like super travel friendly too. Moving on, of course, I've got some masks and I think I also have my sanitizer in here. Where is it? Yeah, that was my sanitizer. So mask and sanitizer, I don't think anyone should leave the house without it. These days I prefer the disposable ones because I feel like these are way more hygienic. So this is what you'll find in my bag most of the times. So next thing in my bag is these JBL Go speakers. I probably am the only person who roams around with speakers in their bag. But you know, you never know when you need them, right? Especially when you're traveling. If I'm staying in a hotel and just want to like pop the speaker out and play some music, it's a great thing to have. It's super portable and super affordable as well. I'm going to link it in the description box down below in case you guys want to check it out. The next thing in my bag is my Bond Lippy Body Shop tinted lip balm. It's in the strawberry flavor. I absolutely love tinted lip balms. Next up in my bag is obviously hand cream. So tinted lip balms and hand creams are like my current obsessions. You'll always find them around me or in my bag. This one is from L'Occitane. And the next thing that I have in my bag is a hairbrush. This one is from Miniso and again it was like for 150 or 250 bucks. I am going to link it down below. The next thing in my bag are sanitary pads. Now obviously you'll find these in every girl's bag. These ones are from Carmesi and these are perfect for sensitive skin. These are actually also certified 100% rash free by gynecologists. These come in these little tiny disposable bags. So I don't need to carry tons of tissue paper with me every time I'm traveling. I can easily dispose them off in these OXO biodegradable bags as well. Rashes are like a major issue when it comes to periods, especially for me. So these pads have made my life a whole lot easier. They actually have a top sheet which is made of corn, which is plant-based, which is why it's super soft. And the back side is also like super breathable. So these also are available in 3 different sizes, L, XL and XXL. So you can pick up the one that is according to your flow. These cause no irritation whatsoever. If you are someone who faces that irritation or rashes ka issue, you should definitely give these a try. These come for 130 rupees. It's a box with 10 pads. But with the Women's Day sale, Carmesi is offering these for 99 rupees. If you also use my coupon code, you can get another 10% extra off. So you will get a pack of 10 pads just for 89 rupees, which I think is a steal. And you should definitely give these a try. I am going to mention the links to buy these in the description box below, so you must check that out, and my coupon code also will be mentioned there in case you guys want to pick it up. Now moving on to the next thing in my bag, I obviously have my wallet. This one is a pretty tiny one. Since the bag is already so huge, I prefer carrying a tinier wallet. This one is from Miniso. I don't know if you'll still find it, but I will try and search for the link and give it to you guys. Next up, we have my glasses. These are from a brand called Stepper. My mom got them for me. So this is what you'll find next in my bag. Okay, another thing that I carry in my bag is the Monodeal game. If you guys haven't played it, you must play like right now. I usually carry it with me when I'm traveling because you never know when you're sitting with friends and you just want to like pull out and play a game or something like that. That's why you'll always find these in my bag as well. Next up, we've got obviously my lens solution, which is almost empty now, and my lens box. I mean, I cannot live without these because I'm pretty much blind, so If not glasses, I need to be wearing my lenses. And along with that, I carry my eye drops. My eyes are like super sensitive and something or the other keeps happening to them. Either they're like super dry or something's gone in my eyes. So I always keep eye drops handy as well. Then of course my thyroid medicine. And we also have my leaf earbuds. I got them pretty much like quite long back. These are like wireless earphones basically. These are Bluetooth ones. They are maybe not the best in the market, but they're pretty okay for the price that they come for. However, I am going to be upgrading to AirPods super soon. And let's see what else. Okay, I also have my lipstick out here. This is my go-to lipstick. It's the Nykaa Helen. So all of you who keep asking me which lipstick am I wearing, this is the one. So this is always in my bag too. Okay, I think I've emptied most of my bag. The last couple of things that I can find are these hair ties. I think I have like 2 hair ties. Yeah, I always have hair ties in my bag and I keep wondering where they get lost. But I'll always find some in my bag. And I also have a band-aid, I think. Yeah, I always carry a band-aid for like emergencies or mainly for shoe bites. I tend to get shoe bites a lot. So I always keep band-aids as well. The next thing in my bag are Tic Tacs. These are soft flavor. My mom gave them to me. But I always have something like refreshing, like a mouth freshener in my bag usually. Right now I have these Tic Tacs. So that was it. That was all that was in my bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below which of these things do you guys carry in your bag and which of these you would never. Let me know in the comments down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's it for now. Thank you so much for tuning into my YouTube channel and I will see you guys in my next video.